Let's talk about XCN. Its full name is Onyx Coin, and we have talked about this thing for quite some time. I'll show you the structure. It's the graph. It is a bit important, but before that, let's look at this price. It's sitting at 1.7 cents right now. And we have talked about XCN's targets. We have talked about 1.6, 1.8, and then 2.2. So far, it has only gone up and hit 1.8. And of course, after this, we only have 2.2. Now let's talk about the graph. I'll go back and find that graph for you. When was the last time we talked about XCN? And then of course, I'll show you today's graph, and then we will take it from there. So last time I talked about XCN was 8th of July, which was Tuesday. Today is what, 12th of July? Yeah, today is Saturday, 12th of July. At that time, we had this falling channel structure, and it was sitting at 1.37, and I told you that if it goes and conquers 1.45 cents, which is the important support area, then I would expect it to start shooting up towards 1.6, 1.8, and then 2.2. You don't see it, but you can go and watch that bloody video. Why? Because 70% of the time this structure breaks up, 30% of the time the structures break down. This is called a falling wedge. You can call it a falling channel. It doesn't matter what you label it. It is a bullish structure. And that is exactly what happened with XCN. It broke out of it. This is your current case scenario. It finally went and it gave a breakout. It went and it conquered this area of 1.45 cents as well, and then it started skyrocketing after that. So anyway, it has gone up towards 1.8. I mean, you can see that yourself as well. You don't need to take my word for it. This is your 1.8. Now the only thing that is missing is 2.2. 2.2 is the only area that is missing, because I don't expect XCN to do more than that. 2.2 cents is pretty much enough. We have seen it making attempts towards 2.6, but I think that seeing a 2.2 is fair enough. It is still a massive journey from 1.8 all the way towards 2.2. Let's not underestimate it. And from 1.3, where I initially covered it on 8th of July, in 4 days, if it goes to 2.2 from 1.3, that's almost like 80% move. So it is pretty crazy. Other than that, there is nothing else to add to XCN. Now that it has conquered the area of 1.8, it has touched upon it. Our support is at 1.6. Right now it's sitting at 1.7. As long as it continues to hold 1.6, it doesn't go below 1.6 for more than 8 hours, doesn't form 2 4-hour candles below it, I would still expect XCN to be on an upward journey towards 2.2. If it falls below 1.6 for more than 8 hours, then prepare for 1.45. That is the last support XCN has, because after that it becomes horribly bearish. But we will talk about bearishness once we get there. At this stage, all we care about is 1.6. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.